What's good, future millionaires? We back with another banger. So we got a Volted update here. We're gonna go through everything going on with Voteinu in the last day. Also, shout out to everybody holding it down. Those that throughout the crypto market FUD, we're seeing three major crypto banks collapse. Silicon Valley Bank basically collapsed. Signature Bank on the verge. And what's my other one? Signature, Silicon, and I can't even think of the other one right now, y'all. We talked about it in a few other videos, but this is weighing down on the overall crypto market very, very heavily. Yes, there's some people that are looking at Bitcoin as the go-to right now, but as a whole, a lot of people are afraid. A lot of people have funds that are lost, that are locked up, whether it be to failed exchanges. The crypto market has been taking a beating in the last 6 months to a year. So shout out to y'all that's just been withstanding that storm. We got Voteinu, projects like this, being able to keep us confident and giving us something to look forward to during this time. So right now, obviously we're in a bear market. Voteinu has continuously been building for the last maybe 14 months or so, and this is where we are right now. So we just got another tier 1 listing, Huobi Global, which was a referral from Poloniex. I've never seen anything like this before. This is how strong of a project Voteinu is, where we can get other exchanges that are usually in competition with other exchanges say, hey, this is a project you should be checking out and adding to your exchange. And what do we see take place from that? $20 million in trading volume in the first day, y'all. That's just the first day on Voteinu. So connect the dots there. Think about what's to come in the future. Let's take a look at this right here. Poloniex exchange says 24-hour trading volume spiked over 20 million after listing on Huobi Global. Voteinu is the first referral project listed by Huobi. We are excited that our strategic partnership with Huobi leads to such fruitful results. Poloniex will continue offering top projects to Huobi. Now take a look at this meme right here. When you take the voted burns home. Vatoshi goes crazy with the memes, man.
I'm sorry, man.
So basically, letting us know that there is a lot of burning to come. So if you don't know yet why this exchange is such a voted deal, have a look at this below. So why is Huobi such a voted achievement and listing for Vote? With recent moves made by Huobi in China, this tier 1 is once again breaking records to the point of surpassing all exchanges but Binance in terms of weekly users. So think about that. Some of the world's largest exchanges, Bybit, Digifinex, Bitget, L-Bank, Whitebit, FTX, well, obviously not FTX anymore, but Huobi is, having more weekly users and almost by triple the amount of the next closest to it, which would be Bybit. So very, very good sign right there. Not too far behind Binance. That's really a direct competitor to Binance. So the fact that we're being listed by Binance's direct competitor is a hopeful sign that Binance could likely put eyes on us as well. So stay tuned. We haven't got the Binance listing yet, but I definitely believe that's to come. And imagine what that would do for the price. So shout out to the Vote Army. China isn't done yet with its voltage moves. Could our listing on Huobi Global, one of the current hottest exchanges with a strong user base in China, have come at a better time? So take a look. China's central bank continues to add liquidity via reverse repos. So we can see BTC at around $25,000 level right there. We can see the volume creeping in right here. Usually a good sign. People will chase after this volume and likely continue to push the market further. Also, shout out to Mike, the investor. He says, I think Vote is an easy 10x from here with the potential to 100x next bull run. Let's discuss 6 quick reasons why I think so. Did you know Vote is the 6th largest meme token and hasn't experienced a bull run yet? So think about that. Shout out to Mike for pointing that out. 6th largest meme coin and still has not entered its bull market. What does that mean? So a bull market, for those that are new to the space, is when the crypto market and everything as a whole is basically on fire. Everybody's just making money hand over fist, and Voteinu happened to be launched at the time where that time period was over with. We already seen all-time high prices take place and everything was already on a decline when Voteinu launched. Now, yes, Voteinu was a little late to the party as far as launching during the bull market, right before the bull market, but however, we get that time coming up again once this next bull market comes around. Voteinu has built a super strong foundation preparing itself for the next bull run. So just imagine, obviously we could do a 10x from here. That's only around a $1 billion market cap. I think that's easy, as far as for a legit project with solid utility, solid community, solid development team. But I can easily see us, at a $2 billion, $3 billion, $4 billion market cap, really competing with some of those top, if we get to a $2 billion market cap, that puts us around, I believe, the top 30 cryptocurrencies. Anywhere above that, we're rivaling the top, 20 cryptocurrencies. So Voinu is building as if it wants to be a top 20 cryptocurrency. Now, speculations, not financial advice, can't tell you to buy, sell, or hold, but I'm just telling you the way Voinu is building. Look at the utilities. These are not just basic utilities that, have no purpose. These are some of the hottest utilities and some of the most disruptive utilities that we've ever heard of being launched back to back to back, all on the same project. So shout out to Satoshi for that. And then we got back at it again this Friday. How much will get burned from the circulating supply this time? So we can see past 1 week burn, looks like 114,000. Past 1 hour burn, $13.66. We know we have those burns coming up at least 4 times a month, doubling, the burns to remove tokens from the actual circulating supply. A lot of people have been asking for that, and Satoshi has delivered it. Shout out to Jake. He said it's Wednesday and it's time to vote. Shout out to him holding it down on that stream. And this was another interesting tweet I seen here from Satoshi. Said Polynix, number 12, Mexi, number 14, Bitmart, number 15, Huobi, number 32, Gate, number 38. These are the Volt Central exchanges currently ranked in the top 50 on the Ethereum blockchain. New ones keep coming and the current ones keep climbing. How long will you manage to keep your rank? So here's a look at that, just showing that, Voinu is listed on these top exchanges right here, showing right now we got when it comes to holding a percentage of Voinu. Let's try to see if I can get this up here on the screen. It's showing which exchanges are holding the most. So we can see right now it looks like over $1 million over there on Mexi, 1.1 million over there on Polynix, 1 million over there on Bitmart 3. So you can see these exchanges are not playing around. They're really loaded up on Voinu. They know that the people want it, so they have to have it. Also, shout out to T Hobbs. He said, did you catch the Voinu cryptic message? Yeah, probably nothing. New listing to 20 million in trading volume. New listing leads to 20 million in trading value, and more bullish updates to check out in the new video. Shout out to him holding it down. Also, shout out to Hinot Crypto. Says tier 1 exchange listing done. Check. 20 million in trading volume on day 1. Check. More exchanges coming. Check. Salute to him as well. Shout out to all the influencers, all the content creators, everybody that is, keeping the awareness up around Voinu. This is what's going to pay off. People on the front lines making this daily content on Voinu, these are going to be the people that trigger that ripple effect, that FOMO, that wildfire that takes place when all the TikTokers come back into the space and they're looking for the next projects to talk about and try to hype up. Trust me, that's going to help us as well. Obviously, we have solid utility, we have a solid community, but the hype is something we want to ride off of too. And having these people on the front line, being able to inform these other new wave of content creators that are coming in that Voinu was the way, we're going to literally see a lot of people start to FOMO and vote once this bull market returns. And we're going to get a lot of social credit, or that social currency, that just that interaction, that engagement, that also helps as well with people spreading the word, sharing videos, sharing content, sharing tweets, and getting more eyes on us, so it's just going to help us out as a whole. Voinu is the prime project for that. So voted to welcome Coinbase token as the 106th project, adding the VotiChange widget to their website. Amazing to see all these projects supporting the deflationary model we are building. 106 different projects. Shout out to Coinbase. It says a DAO project launching exclusive financial services platform. Get reflections in BUSD. So this, also is for me, I like to see which projects are adding VotiChange widget to the website, because those are possible gems that we can do our due diligence on and possibly see some gains for a short-term quick play, or possibly becomes a long-term project that we end up rocking with. Also, shout out to Maria Anderson on here saying, watch now, Voinu, the newest update, why I'm bullish. Salute to her. Also, we got major news to come on the VotiChange adoption. Elon Goat token is planning to use it as the inbuilt decentralized exchange for the upcoming DApp, allowing businesses, service providers, and influencers and content creators to accept payment in crypto. More adoption, more volume, more burns. More adoption, more people using it brings more money to the exchange. More money going in through the exchange equals more money being burned in VotiNu. So obviously we're bullish on that. Shout out to EGT Pro. Looking forward to seeing that. Also, Jake says we are partnering with VotiNu on our Twitter Spaces. Join us for all the voting updates and enter to win $500 a vote. How to enter? Retweet this tweet. Follow the names tagged here. And make sure you tune in. So it looks like that recording has already played, though. Shout out to Jake holding it down. Crypto for Life says Vote can be bought using USDT and INR on CoinDCX. This will make it easy for people from India to buy Vote. I can't imagine what the trading volume will be from these top exchanges in the next bull run. Also, Pablo says full send. Vote too bullish not to go live. Vote Fidelity, Ethereum, BTC. Shout out to Pablo, always holding it down, man. Y'all already know. Good morning to all the voted people. Also, XT.com exchange says it's competition time. XT exchange and VotiNu official will jointly hold a 2-week net buying competition with a reward of it looks like 3 billion vote. 7 o'clock on March 17th to 7 o'clock on March 31st. Details below in the link. So let's retweet that out just for those that want to participate. Also, if you missed this Voted AMA with Crypto Tonight from Huobi, don't wait any longer. Check it out. So we got that AMA there. You can come check it out on the VotiNu official page. Also, the marketing done so far, the utilities launched, the community we built, the exchanges we got listed on. Can you imagine how this preparation will make us vote if the money is eventually flowing back into the crypto market? So just $2 trillion could be injected into the U.S. banking system by the Federal Reserve's emergency loan program. So due to all these banks collapsing, they're looking to possibly bail out these banks with another $2 trillion. Some of that money could eventually flow back into the crypto space, which could be bullish for, us holders, us investors. So only one of these meme coins has never experienced a bull market. Can you find the mistake? So let's zoom out so y'all can see this as well. So we got Doge, Shib, Floki, Bone, Dogeline, Baby Doge, and VotiNu. So out of all those top coins that we hear about, all the time, VotiNu is the only one that's listed here and has yet to see that bull market. So VotiNu showing up with these top dogs and still hasn't even had its real bull market yet. That's crazy. Crazy to see that just, we can obviously look at some of these other ones like Baby Dogecoin, Dogeline Mars sitting at a $200 million market cap, Baby Dogecoin sitting at a $268 million market cap. And, we can start to envision VotiNu around those levels as well. Take a look at Floki, $325 million market cap. I can easily see us around those levels. Also, Hinot Crypto says it's easy to get used to this and take VotiNu for granted, but don't. This is project 106. Vote was built in a bear. Wait until the crypto market comes back as a whole. It never stops. Don't be surprised when you see us on top. Salute. He understands it. Voted Dragon Sailor Clubs tweeted out and said, any day now, 100 million plus monthly users will be able to join the Vote Island. Are you ready? So Voted News, the Vote Island has been approved and added to Steam. It is currently listed as an upcoming launch, but you will be able to play it on the platform this month. This will allow 100 million plus users to vote with our dragons in a few days. Absolutely bullish. Also, this week we have the $25,000 split coming for the VDSC NFT holders, so stay tuned for that. Also, shout out to Crypto Latina. We'll be tapping in with her stream soon, so be prepared and looking out for that. She says, don't underestimate VotiNu. We're ready. Voted preparation for the bull run. Preparation is key. Question is, are you ready? Let's talk about it. Cafecito and VotiNu daily live stream. Believes Crypto said VotiNu update, but Toshi never stopped. Shout out to Believes and Crypto Latina. We got the Voti cars on the way. Said Voti car gets released. What will you buy first? Let me know in the comment section what you plan on doing with your VotiNu cards. I'm definitely gonna be grabbing one. Just gonna be a moment in history, something cool to have to show and also if we end up needing it, that's true utility right there. So they think of printing more, we think of burning more. Hyper deflationary is the motto with VotiNu, y'all. How many times a week do you vote on VotiChange, the first decentralized exchange making every traded crypto deflationary? That's one of the first major utilities of VotiNu. being able to, no matter which project it is, as it's launched, it automatically is listed on VoltiChange. And any project can take this widget, this VoltiChange widget, and add it to their website, so that way their community investors can buy the project directly off the website. Satoshi has made that utility and delivered it to the crypto space open source, meaning that it is free to use, no listing fee, no requirements, no trading volume, no community number, no wallet holders, just straight. If you want to use it, it's there for you. Shout out to Ozzy as well. Says Volt breakout from this 1 hour triangle will be huge. Take a look at this triangle taking place here. We could possibly be targeting this R1 level. If you see the pivot area is where the price usually stabilizes at and where it moves from. R1 is usually at resistance 1 area, showing that where it may likely break out to. So that's back into the 2,000 points per coin level. So keep an eye on VoltInu. Things appear to be heating up. Also, banks appeal as a place to park your money is not growing. Centralized staking does not seem to be in vogue. More money is eventually coming. VoltiFlex coming to a blockchain near you. What do you do? So basically, as people lose faith in the banks, more and more people are going to start looking into DeFi, and projects like VoltInu that are setting the standard, building a utility, are going to receive, a decent portion or percentage, I should say, of that money that flows back into the crypto space, especially into the altcoin space. So let's see what else we got here. Hinnock says, Volt Army, if this doesn't get you excited, you're asleep. Never stops with Volt. Can't wait for VoltiFlex. The grind continues. So take a look at this as well. Here's a quick video teaser for VoltiFlex. It says in 2023, people deserve to earn revenues in a deflationary and decentralized way. Vote to burn. Every single thing that takes place, this is one of the main things I love about VoltInu. Everything goes back to benefiting VoltInu. I really think one thing, that I didn't like with SHIB was the fact that it wasn't being used as the gas token for shibarium. It felt like, some of the things were, some of the benefits weren't really tying back to SHIB. One thing I really love about the VoltInu project is in any way we turn, look left, look right, look up, look down, it's all going back to VoltInu, burning more VoltInu. That's what we want to see, hyper deflationary. Now y'all know I love the SHIB army too, but I love the Volt army as well. Free and accessible to any project or crypto user. Bullish. VoltiFlex, stake Ether. So you can come here and basically stake any crypto and earn rewards and reflections from doing so. Reflections and staking available for any token. I love this theme that Satoshi is doing with all the utilities, making it available for every token. That's very, very unique. And with all these different things combined on top of each other, VoltiChange, VoltiFlex, VoltiSoft, it's like it's creating a hyper deflationary, what did we call it? Basically a new dimension, like a altered universe, basically a hyper deflationary universe where just everything is tying back to VoltInu, making it more and more valuable as each token is destroyed. So leaving the remaining tokens more valuable. So you better hodl those VoltInu tokens, man. Multi-chain decentralized staking platform. VoltiChange and VoltiFlex paving the way for VoltiSoft. VoltiFlex, powered by VoltInu. Absolutely bullish. Salute to Jazz. Says VoltInu, the billions are now closer than ever, holding strong, and here's why. And then we got Bitcoin Trapper said, Volt announced the launch of their new Volti card coming in March, allowing you to spend your Volt in stores. To get one of these, you'll need to hold a minimum of 200 million Volt. So someone, when I said that you could spend a Volt, someone said that was incorrect. You could only spend the stable coins, but I'm not sure what you can exactly spend, but I'm bullish on this card. I like the utility of having to hold 200 million Volt, in order to utilize it. That adds more, that's just bringing it all, tying it all back into the Vote token, you know, giving more and more value to Vote. That's what it's all about. Ladybug, shout out to her. You'll be catching me on a stream soon. It says, okay, ladies, it's going down. Join us tomorrow for Voted Live with Jazz Royce Part 2, Vote VDSC, and another one. Friday burn incoming. Huobi bullish, Polygon bullish, BNB bullish, threes a charm. So that's our Voted update for today. We're going to take a look at the prices in the market. We got Vote right now up 4% right now. You remember that triangle Ozzy was showing? We can see it taking place right now. We can see it playing out nicely. So we got volume, decentralized volume, 172,000. Last 24 hours, market cap 93 million. Vote at that 1876 level, up 4.72% right now. So looking good. We could take a look at some of these transactions. You can see more buys coming in than sales. 111 buys in the last 24 hours, only 51 sales, meaning that people are holding on to that Vote. So that's what we like to see, man. That's all we got for this one. Didn't mean to make it that long, man, but we had a lot of updates to cover for Vote. So appreciate y'all for pulling up. Smash that like button. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, and we are out.